In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make animated AI cartoons and earn thousands of dollars on YouTube doing this. So this is my Canva and we're going to be making YouTube videos. So if you're not signed up for Canva yet, you can go ahead to sign up for. So let's go to videos, and on videos we'll click here to begin a new project. Remember, we are doing animated videos for YouTube content. So here I'm going to be working on animated videos or cartoons that will have a lot of kids playing and what have you. In your elements, we'll go to elements and we search for landscape. So this is where I am going to be working. So you can see I already have 5 seconds video here. I can increase it, I can reduce it, I can add more depending on the number of videos I am trying to do. Now on elements, we'll click here, elements, and go to landscape. So landscape background, playground actually, yes. So there you have it. This is different. Let's see the different type of landscape backgrounds we have. Because I want animated ones, I'm not going to go for maybe the ones that have you know human kids. I'll go for something like this. Yeah, you can see what this looks like. This is already on your Canva, and yeah, I think this is fine. We can actually do something like this. Let's see how it goes. Okay, kids are playing, and I can decide to add 1 or 2 things to make this interesting. Maybe I could actually let me put like a little bit of sun somewhere. So yeah, I think this is fine, and we can bring this here, more like, oh, they are playing under the sun or something. Now I don't have clouds here. I can decide to form clouds. So let's see, let's put clouds or cloud. All right, so I think let's go for something that, let's see, I think this is fine. So yeah, let's use this cloud. So I'm going to reduce it and duplicate. I can duplicate and have multiple clouds in the sky. So I can say something like, oh, children are playing under the sun, and I can see clouds, something like that. So if I want those clouds to move, all I need to do is I can actually look for the ones that are moving here, but of course I can. So if I want to animate this, all I need to do is go to animate, and let's see, let's animate this. If I can create an animation by spinning this. Look at that. I can just do this. Okay, so then I can reduce the, look at that. I can do the same for the other clouds I have here by, well, let me reduce the speed of this so it moves really slowly. Okay, so you can see that, right? You can see that kids playing. So let me play this again so we can see what it looks like. Look at that. So what other thing can we add here? I can add more kids. I can decide to add a lot of things. So we just go back to our elements and do whatever thing we want to do, or add whatever thing to this particular video. I can decide to add kids talking, maybe just on the side, kids talking or kids learning. Okay, this is kids. Okay, this is also, I can decide to add kids playing or something. So let's say this, yeah, so I can decide to add this somewhere here. Yes, so you can see that right here. Let me add this here, more like they're actually also playing. If I want to animate this, I can also go ahead to animate it. Okay, so let's animate this. So here we have this. So I'm going to be adding motion, what's it called, motion effect. So let's see if this is okay. I think this is fine, or let's try this. the wiggle. You can see that. Okay, I think this is fine. Or let's try this. Rotate. It's gonna rotate. No, this isn't good. So let's do, no, let's do this. I think, oh, let's wiggle. Let's just wiggle. Okay, so I can reduce the intensity. Let's see. Okay, let me reduce the intensity more. You can see that. All right, I think this is fine. This is really beautiful. So if we have other things we want to add, we can go ahead to add. We've made something about kids playing or kids, so I can decide to add voiceover and also put music, because you're putting this on YouTube, right? So I can go ahead to my YouTube studio to get audio library. On that audio library, I can look for a music that can fit into a kids cartoon. Or I can also, if you have your original maybe video, or you can actually play piano and add to this. I can also get voiceover here in Canva. So let's quickly do that. So I'm going to go to my apps. So under my apps, I'll go to your apps and I'll go to AI voiceover. So I can quickly write something, or I can quickly put up a voiceover here, or I just type what I want to what I want that fits this kind of video I just did right here. So I can say it's a sunny day. It's a sunny day, and I can see kids playing in the sun or in the garden. I can see kids playing in the garden. So depending on what you want to do, or if you want to add more to this, you can go ahead to add. So let's quickly generate this and put it in our video. Okay, you can see that it has appeared.
It's a sunny day and I can see kids playing in garden.
Oh, in garden. I was supposed to add in the garden. So okay, let me increase this and say I can actually add kids name to this and say, or I can make it more interesting and just say how many kids can you see in this. So how many kids can you see in this video? Yes, we have 8 kids in the video. We are just trying to make this interesting. Remember, you're doing a cartoon for kids and you want them to be excited watching something like this. Same way you can do alphabets and all what have you, and make a video very, very interesting for kids. So let's generate this voiceover and see what it looks like. I can delete the old one. Okay, I think this one looks fair. This one is fair now. So yeah, let's try this out. So let's play.
It's a sunny day and I can see kids playing in the garden. How many kids can you see in the video? Yes, we have 8 kids in the video.
Okay, now they're supposed to be like a countdown, maybe of course when you are editing or when you're working, I can decide to, where I have that yes, I can put like a countdown there, so I can actually split that side and put like a countdown there for the children to count down, like you're just giving the children watching some minutes to be able to count down, and then they answer the question. So if I'm to add music into this, you can see how easy this was to do. If you're going to be posting this on YouTube, like I said, you can go to your YouTube audio library. Let me show you there. So let's go to, so we can go to our audio library here on YouTube and look for a song that is going to fit this, or you can actually have your own recorded song. Another place you can get good music is on Epidemic Sound. Yeah, so on Epidemic Sound you can get any kind of music you know, but of course you need to sign up and, you know, pay monthly for that to be able to get a music you can use for your videos. But to be on the safe side, especially if you're a new content creator, you can actually get good sound from, you know, your audio library here on YouTube. With this, you're not going to be having any issues, you know, with your videos. Don't use anyone from your what's it called, editing app and what have you. Just use from either your audio library or Epidemic's sound. So now let's go back. You can see how easy we made this particular video. We can go on and on to make more videos. All you just need to do is go to your elements, you know, pick whatever thing you want to do. Okay, look at this. This is an ABC video. So if I'm going to work on this right now, okay, let's do something here. You know, okay, I think it's fine like this. Then the next thing we're going to do is animate. We'll go ahead to animate. Let's do motion animation here. Okay, I think this pop-up is good. So if we do something like this, let's play it and see what it looks like. And we can get children rhyme singing ABC, you know, and just look at that. So once you do that, you come to your apps, go to your AI voice, you know, over, and it's very, very simple. You can see how easy this was. So you can go ahead, try these things out. So imagine me having a long, you know, I can actually do a better voiceover. This is just like a class. I'm teaching you how to go about it. So once you're done with everything, depending on how many pages you have and everything you want to design here, you're going to go ahead to download. So you click on the share button there and you click on download. Now it's gonna give you MP4, which is a suggested, you know, way to download by Canva. Please leave it like that. Then if you have multiple pages or you just want to download one page, you can click on the page you want to download and you click on the download button. Depending on the size of your download, it might be faster and it might be slower. So that is all you need to know. Then you can go ahead and upload on YouTube. So you can see how easy this was to get on with. You can actually go ahead to practice more than this, and I'm going to do subsequent videos, you know, showing you other ways we can do, you know, other sophisticated animated cartoons for your YouTube videos. And guess what, you can earn thousands of dollars doing this monthly. So guys, did you get value from this particular video? Please do well to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.